Welcome to the 11th episode of Countryball quiz. Guess the country by the national animal. The first question. Brown bear is a large bear species. Well, the second question. The Bengal tiger is one of the tiger subspecies that is mostly found in India and Bangladesh. The third question. A lion with a large body whose weight sometimes reaches 250 kilograms among males. Let's go to the fourth question. The Indian peacock is a colorful and bright bird from the pheasant group, which is mostly seen in South Asia and India. The fifth question. Ringtailed lemur is the name of a species of lemur family. The sixth question. The red kangaroo is the largest species of kangaroo. This species is the largest mammal native to Australia. Well, thank you very much for being with us until now. Comment the points you got. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And ring the bell so you don't miss the quiz. Until the next episode, be happy and healthy.